You ever feel like learning something new is like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops? Yeah, same here. But what if I told you that learning doesn't have to be this frustrating, soul-crushing, brain-melting experience? In fact, I'm about to show you how to make the learning process so easy that your brain will start craving knowledge like a Netflix binge. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to see learning in a way you've never seen before. Let's go. Let's step 1. Your brain is a muscle. Train it right. First things first, learning is not about stuffing random facts into your head like a Thanksgiving turkey. Your brain is a muscle, and just like you wouldn't hit the gym and lift a 500-pound weight on day 1, you shouldn't expect to master a new skill overnight. Microlearning is the hack. Instead of drowning in hours of boring lectures, break things down into bite-sized, snackable chunks. Repetition is your best friend. You don't learn by just hearing something once. Repeat, rewatch, reapply. Your brain loves patterns. So instead of thinking, I need to master this, start thinking, I just need to get 1% better today. That's it. That's the game. Step 2, the secret sauce. Make learning a game. Listen, you ever notice how you can remember every little stat about your favorite game, but when it comes to school, your brain is like, nah, we don't do that here? That's because traditional learning is boring. Trick your brain into thinking it's a game. Set up challenges for yourself. Can I learn this in 10 minutes? Reward yourself when you succeed. Yes, even if it's with cookies. Compete with a friend who can master the skill first. When you gamify learning, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes video games so addictive. Boom, now you're hooked. Step 3, the 5-minute rule. Destroy procrastination. You know that feeling when you're like, ugh, I'll start later, and then later becomes never? Yeah, I see you. Here's the fix, the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'm just going to do this for 5 minutes. That's it, just 5 minutes. Your brain won't freak out because 5 minutes isn't scary. And guess what? 9 times out of 10, once you start, you keep going. It's psychological trickery, and it works. Step 4, the secret nobody tells you. You ready for the real truth? The reason why learning feels hard isn't because you're bad at it. It's because nobody ever taught you how to learn. Forget perfection. Just take messy action. The best learners fail the most. Teach someone else. If you can explain it, you own it. Mix it up. Videos, podcasts, writing, your brain craves variety. Motivating close. All right, my friends, now you've got the tools, the hacks, the cheat codes. Learning is no longer your enemy. It's your superpower. If this helped you even a little, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's one thing you're going to start learning today? Let's go build some unstoppable minds. See you in the next one. Peace.